Yo guys, I'm back again. Welcome back for another upload. Today's video is going to be interior mod. Some Footwells. Basically the interior is looking dry, winter's coming up. And just wanted to look nicer to be in, do you know what I'm saying? As you can see, it looks pretty clean in here. So I just need some lights to just go with it. First things first, just make sure the interior is clean. Because you're going to be like rolling around whatnot. Especially underneath where the Footwells are. Just make sure that underneath here is dust free, so when you do stick it down, it will stick. So yeah guys, the next step will be splicing this. So it does come with a 12 volt in the kit. I'm not going to leave it plugged in here, like this looks ugly. Don't want the wires hanging out, don't want to like bang it when I'm like shifting gears, you know what I'm saying, hitting VTEC and that. Luckily the fuse box for the Ep3 is just here, and there's actually space behind, so I'm not sure if you can see my hand there. And if I was to do that, put my light through, as you can see, you just see the torch go through. So luckily it will just go in through that side, come out of that side, and that's obviously where the footwell is. And I can just run it underneath the little crease of the trim here. Yeah, this one's going to be a quick install, I can't lie. If you got Ep3, it's going to take you like less than 30 minutes maximum. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you, so I'm documenting everything I'm doing in the car. But yeah, let's start splicing and pointing to a fuse. Yo guys, so the splicing is done. What I've done here is just, obviously I just exposed the power wire, so this is the one that's going to go into the fuse. I'm going to use a fuse tap. But what I did, I also extended the ground because it wasn't long enough, so I just used red 5 amp, I believe that's the name. Yeah, 5 amp cable. I did have red black one, but I can't find it, so I just use red. Obviously just use the little end as well, so this is going to be the one that goes to the ground bolt, and obviously just connected it up. So yeah, this will be long enough to go from this side of the fuse to that side of the ground, which is just behind this little cubby here. And then we're ready to get power. We're going to test it, and yeah, I'll show you which fuse it is and what ground I used anyway. So let me do that, then I'll show you. Okay guys, next step done. Let me show you what I did. So connection wise, I did have a fuse amp there on the 15. As you can see, third from the right, second from the bottom. That wasn't on my screen, so that was the signal wire. But as I took it off, it broke. So I have to use the getaway of just splicing the cables together, connect to amp. Is alright for now. Ground wise, this is the bolt I used. Just a 10mm. Hopefully you can see it. That's what I use for connection. And yeah, as you can see, it's all working. And the good thing is, it is Bluetooth by app. So this is the app here, Luna's lantern. If I open it, let everything connect. As you can see, it changes colours automatically, all the colour wheels. So yeah, we can go like different styles. Yeah, lit. So now I'm just going to run all the cables together, put these little trim pieces back, and yeah, not much needed. So like I said, this was just a 10mm for the bolt here, some fuse connectors. It was simple. It's probably been like what, 15 minutes since I started. Now I'm just going to route these cables round. I'm just going to see whether I'm going to put on the back of the seat or not, or just have them on the front. We'll see. You'll see the final result anyway. Yo guys, so I'm going to show you the final stage. Hopefully you can see me. It's kind of bad in there. This camera ain't the best for lighting. We'll sort that out one day, but yeah, I thought I'd record at night just because that's what the lights are for. Nighttime driving, nighttime scenes, whatever. But yeah, let me just show you what they look like now. As you can see, it looks banging. This is the purple at the moment. And see, I've got the back, no wires are showing. Looks very clean. And like I showed the app before, you can change colours. Like I said before, it is totally like changeable via the app. You can see if I put to red here, go red, put to blue, green. Hopefully it does pick up on the camera. But yeah, like I said, it took me like 15-20 minutes max, just because of how easy the Ep3 is to work on, especially interior wise. Hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what to do next, because besides that big mods that's going to cost peas, let me know what else you want me to do. I think next I have to do the seals for sure. Fix the tracking alignment because it's fucked. And I might put some stars in here. We'll see, because I need to make these like different colour. But yeah, let me know what you want me to do next. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's gonna be out here. Peace.